Hi friends, okay, so here's one of my favorite life hacks, how to make fluffy, flavorful brown rice. Now, you know brown rice is more nutritious than white rice, but you gotta make it the right way. So, here's my secret. We're gonna take 1 cup of rice, and you're going to rinse it, because you definitely wanna rinse off your rice, get all those rocks out and hard stuff, because it's the least processed. So once you're done rinsing it off, the 1 cup, then you can either use a rice cooker or a pan, and usually it's a 2-to-1 ratio, but with brown rice, you want to add about a 1/4 cup more. So what I did was I already measured 2 1/4 cups of water that I'm going to pour in here, put the rice in there. I use a rice cooker, but you can do the same thing with the pan. And then what you want to do is add a vegetable bouillon. So it's 2 cups that I put in, so you use 1 bouillon in there. And then you want to just let your rice soak for about 45 minutes, no more than 3 hours, and that is the key thing. The bouillon and soaking the rice. Once you're done with that, you'll see that the rice has gotten a little bit larger. Then you turn it on, you cook it till the water's evaporated, and there you go. So I have the full recipe. Head to my blog at smartshopperdaphne.com. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.